Hey Lam Fam! I'm Tom.
And this is Kelly. Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to be braiding Tone's hair. So it's going to be inspired after Jeremy Lin. If y'all don't know who it is, that's basically his daddy.
Not really. And I'm just going to be sitting here in pain. So
let's get to torturing. This is freshly washed hair. You can see how smooth and silky it is. With a comb, you're gonna part the hair in the middle. I use his nose as reference to see if it was straight. The first product is a mousse from Tresemme. Amount of how much or however much your man comes, it should look like that. Here you're going to use any gel or conditioning gel to hold the hair in place. I tie Tone's hair to make braiding easier. This is the amount of gel I use to start off. You're gonna grab a portion of hair and section it into 3 parts. And I just use some gel to lay his hair down. You're gonna cross the left over the middle and the right over the middle, like so. Continue braiding in the manner, pulling in hair as you go. I had to re-braid because Tone kept moving. He's literally the worst fucking person to braid. Shout out to you, babe. Secure the braid with a hair tie.
Bruh.
I ain't noticed the fuck up until the end, so I was trying to fix it. Alright, Tone's hair was really short, so I just used a bobby pin to lay down his hair. Alright, this is the same step for the other side.
I'm Kelly's gel holding bitch. Talking about bitches. Oh, this is so painful. Oh, goddamn.
Finally, use any type of hairspray to hold the hair in place.
Gotcha, bitch!
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me torturing Tom.
Yeah, it was so fun.
Yay! So whenever your man is acting up, make sure y'all do this to him.
Bye, guys.
Give us a thumbs up.